Hi. So, as usual, every morning we wake up and we are going to have our breakfast. Today we'll be checking out of Vaitil Resort and going to another very unique property. So, but before that, it's our anniversary. It's a third wedding anniversary, and we'll be going to a nearby temple and taking blessings. Even you guys, please keep showering your blessings on us, and see you after we are done with our breakfast. So we are at Uravu Center, which is an NGO and it works with tribal women. If you have seen the previous video, you must be knowing about this place. We had just visited this place, but today we just made some purchases, which will definitely, in a very small way, benefit the tribal and the local women in Wayanad. They have quite some interesting things over here. For example, this reads as Book of Spices. Real good Kerala spices. Okay, this thing what you can see over here, this one is a mobile speaker. So you just have to insert your phone over here. It gives you an amplified sound. Here you can see some jute bags. This is an interesting musical instrument. I'm not sure if you can hear this, but it makes a soothing sound. So yeah, quite interesting things over here. Firstly, I thought these are chopsticks, but no, this is used for papad making. So interesting, quite interesting things, and quite talented these women are to come up with such novel things, all made out of bamboo or jute. So the bags are made up of jute. We have purchased 2 bamboo pens and 1 small candle stand. Thank you. So finally, after a blissful 2 nights, right?
2 nights, 3 days.
Okay. So finally, after a blissful 2 nights, 3 day stay at Vaitil Resort, we have checked out. In fact, we are just checking out, and now we'll be heading to a temple, take the blessings of the Almighty, and then check into another resort. That is also very interesting place, and really looking forward to experience this day and other experiences over there. So see you there. So we are off to our next destination. Before that, as I said earlier, a temple visit is a must, and then maybe we'll do some shopping for spices on the way and then head to our next destination. One very interesting and sweet gesture what Vaitiri Resort guys did was they clicked a picture of us and then they framed it and gave it to us. So that was a very sweet gesture. Thank you, Vaitiri guys. So we got a bit late, so we just found a chapel on the road and we took the blessings, and now we are heading to do some spice shopping. So we are here at a place called Gandhi Gramam. This comes under Wayanad tourism only. It's again to support the local artisans and the community, but along with that they have some other things also which are sourced from other places. And yes, out and out, quite an elaborate shop. If you wish to purchase anything, any souvenir or any gifts to give, probably extend it to your friends and family, it's a nice place to be. Okay, so we just finished our shopping at Gandhigram. One interesting thing what they informed us is if you are anywhere in India and if you need anything from their store, it is available at zero delivery charges, and they ship their products all over India via courier. So that was an interesting thing. So even if you are not coming to Wayanad, you can probably order it via their phone number. We'll definitely put that in the description of the video. Right now, before we head to our next destination, we are just grabbing a quick bite at a place called Turkish Cafe, and I've ordered Turkish coffee. So finally, we are here at CGH Wayanad Wild. The best part about it is you have to keep your vehicles at a different parking area. So just behind me you can see the parking lot, and from here we have around a 3.5 kilometer off-roading kind of a ride, and we'll be going in this Jeep over there because normal cars may not be able to withhold the pressure and whatever obstacles the off-roading path throws at you. Over here they have ensured that all sanitization processes are in place. So as you can see behind, all our bags are getting sanitized. Quite a lot of luggage we are carrying. So all in all, this is what is the need of the hour, and CGH Wayanad Wild is taking good care of each and everything over here. So I'll see you. So now we are on a very bumpy ride inside this Thar. Quite an experience, and really wild experience, staying true to its name. That's Wayanad Wild. You can see the road over here. This is what we are crossing to reach CGH Earth. You need a sturdy vehicle like Mahindra Thar to get past these kind of roads. So finally we have reached Wayanad Wild, a property by CGH Earth. It looks beautiful after that off-roading experience. We're really looking forward to the stay experience over here. I'll just quickly take you through the reception area over here. Behind me, the area what you see is the reception area, quite chilled and calm. It gives that feel-good vibe. We have just done a check-in over here, and now we are just heading to the room. Can't wait to share and give you guys a room tour. We have a buggy over here which will be taking us to our room, so let's go. Hi, so we have finally reached our room, and we're staying at room number 301. Let's see what's there. I have already seen it. It looks quite amazing. So, yep, that's the lounge area. But before that, let me show you the washroom. Pretty huge washroom. Let's me high. Here's the bathtub. One interesting thing is, they have kept this shampoo in a small earthen container. So, very thoughtful, because usually what happens is whenever you go to any resorts, any hotels, best of the hotels, they have shampoos which we usually end up using not the entire thing, and most of it just goes for a waste. So that's a very thoughtful thing, because in that you just take how much ever you require and it can be reused as well, and no need to throw it away and accumulate the plastic waste. Okay, here is our beautiful room. It's so huge, so spacious, superb wooden flooring we have over here. CGH Earth guys have done a very cute and interesting piece of art over here on our bed. Looks wow. Also, if you see over here, since they are very much close to the nature and they are very conscious about the nature, they have kept most of the things of which are of glass and very minimal usage of plastic. At least I haven't seen extensive use of plastic till now. Another thoughtful thing, in most of the hotels, if you see, there is a coffee maker, yes, and there are sachets of a Nescafe or a brew or any other instant coffee, which eventually adds up to your plastic waste. But here they have done a very thoughtful thing. They have these small containers in which they have put in kadam kapi. It's a Wayanadin kadam kapi. I don't know if you can see this. Yeah, it's a Wayanadin Robusta coffee. Then again, there is a Podi Chaya. Again, a Wayanadin Podi Chaya. You have tea powder inside a steel container. And over here also, you have instant teas of Organic India. The packaging is again sustainable and a paper packaging. Again, water in glass bottles, RO UV filtered, to ensure that, again, it reduces the plastic wastage to quite an extent. And there you go, beautiful view what we have over here, overlooking the lush green mountains. What a view. CGH also has some interesting activities planned, so we'll definitely keep you informed and help you take this experience via our channel to you guys right through your screens. So stay tuned. So as it was our 3rd anniversary, people at Wayanad Wild was super sweet because they extended this unique experience to us. That was a cooking demonstration session with the supremely talented Chef Velu. What an experience this was.
My name is Velayudan. I am from Calicut, this Malabar region, near Delta. I am working around 38 years with the CGH group of hotels, different hotels. Cochin, Tekri, Kumaragam, Alapi. Here I am working around 4 years. Our food culture is the Malabar region food we are serving here. We are sourcing the ingredients from the local farmers, local suppliers. We are not buying any product like canned items, preservatives. We are not using any preservatives. We use the spices from the local mill, not from the shop. Then continental food we are making. And North Indian, South Indian, and breakfast time idli, dosha, like that. And puttu, meen curry, and appam, chicken curry, like that. The Malabar peoples have non-vegetarian in the breakfast time also.
Okay.
Normally the other, especially the Bangalore, they don't have any non-vegetarian chicken or fish or beef.
Yeah.
In Kerala, around 98% are non-vegetarian. Only 2%. Because of some people have some diet concept.
Yeah.
That's why.
So we had a very superb cooking demonstration session with Chef Velu. It was amazing. He helped us understand the nitty-gritties of Malabar cuisine. Along with, he showed us the spices which are locally sourced, and some were, just plucked from the jungle behind. It was a very surreal experience, something what you don't get to see in the hustle bustle life in what you see in cities. So highly recommended CGH Earth Wayanad Wild. Please come and savor tasty delicacies belted out by Chef Velu over here. We have a complete rundown of what went into this entire session on our Instagram page, that is Hungry Drippers. So please do visit that page so that you can just see how Chef Velu works his magic on the chicken as well as the fish. Thanks. Thank you, Chef.
What was the first story?
Second, this one.
Yeah. find at least 5-6 a day.
Okay.
They are more common towards people, right? And people see cobras and rat snakes very often. And so, point being, we have a lot of stories about them. One thing is snake charmers, right? You say the snakes and snake charmers are ruthless,
Yeah.
right? And you know what Nagin is? Have you heard? Nagin.
Female version of cobra.
Female version of a cobra. And like, do you know her story?
She took revenge or something.
Exactly. So people still believe that snakes take revenge, and her story.
Yeah, so guys, we just did a very nice session with Siddharth, who's a naturalist and works with CGH Earth. He took us through tales about snakes, and trust me, after this, stepping out of this room, I feel I'll be more learned, more conscious about snakes. And you know, the talks weren't just ending. It was a 45 minutes to 1 hour session, but we had to cut it short because the dinner was getting ready. So finally, we are here for our dinner. A very special and cute looking setting CGH has done for us. The entire area, I'm not sure if I'll be able to show you via the camera, but it's only lit through candlelight and looks very pretty setting if through your naked eyes. Camera is not able to do justice to the kind of atmosphere this restaurant has at the moment. The best thing is, I guess we are the only ones right now over here at the restaurant. So that's again gives a very special feeling and a perfect setting for our 3rd wedding anniversary. Looking forward to the dinner now. We'll definitely let you know how is it. This is so nice. The entire staff has come with candles in there, and it is really special. Thank you. Thanks a lot, the entire team, for making this day a very special one for us.
Blueberry cake.
Okay. And yes, this is a blueberry cake. Let's cut it, yeah.
Happy anniversary.
Thank you. Okay, so we are done for the day. We had a spectacular dinner. Unfortunately, we couldn't go for the night trail because dinner खाने में थोड़ी देरी हो गई. So we'll definitely plan to do that tomorrow, or maybe wake up early and go for a morning trail as well. But just a shout out to the entire staff out there of CGH Wayanad Wild, because they made our day very special. Firstly, they gave us a special blueberry cake which was very tasty, and the entire staff who works at the restaurant and at the property, they came along with candles. So it was a very special gesture. It really made us feel very special. Over that, they also gave us a handwritten greeting. This has signatures of all the employees who are here, and they have wished us happy anniversary, and they have asked us to enjoy a special day. A very sweet and warm gesture done by the employees over here. So big thank you to everyone who put out that, who went that extra mile to make our day very special. So on a sweet note, would like to end the day today. See you in our next vlog, but please do keep supporting us, and you can just support us by liking, sharing and subscribing our videos. And if there are any comments, please feel free to put that out through the comment section, and we'll definitely take that feedback constructively, and it will just help us grow. So keep supporting. Thank you. Good night.
Can't wait to bury the ruins of my mistakes, to only keep it the truth, yeah. There's a treasure of